How to install YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to download and install the official YouTube app from Google Play Store on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type YouTube and tap the search icon. Now, you'll see YouTube appear in the search results. Look for the official YouTube app with the red play button icon. It should show Google LLC as the developer. Tap on YouTube to open the app page. Moving forward, tap the Install button. The download will begin automatically. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch YouTube for the first time. Alternatively, you can find the YouTube icon on your home screen or app drawer. If prompted, sign in with your Google account to access your subscriptions and personalize content. Afterwards, you can skip sign-in and use YouTube without logging in if you prefer. Your YouTube app is now installed and ready to use. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you install YouTube on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.